In this video, we're going to show you how to replace your trunk lift support located right here on the passenger side area of your trunk. The process for this is the same for the driver's side. Now right here on the bottom side, there's going to be a metal spring clip. I'm going to use a small flat blade pocket screwdriver. I'm going to go right down here. I'm going to go ahead and put our screwdriver in here. We want to go ahead and bring up that spring clip. Pop that out as far as you can. I want to go ahead and work this here. Basically pop that right off. And you're just going to lift that off of the ball stud there. You want to go ahead and hold that trunk lid, because once you release this here, you don't want that trunk lid to pop down on you and hit you. So get some assistance or use a prop rod to go ahead and support the trunk lid. Let's go ahead and repeat the process for the upper clip here. And use our screwdriver, pop it right in underneath, and we're going to lift up that clip. With that clip out, go ahead and pop this off. Once we have that off, what we want to do is go ahead, we're going to use a towel here and wipe off the pivot points here. And you don't have to, but I'm going to put a light coat of grease on the pivots here. I'm going to go ahead and take your replacement component here, and it's simple. It already has a metal clips on the top and the bottom. I want to go ahead and just line that up and press it in. It'll snap right on. That metal clip will engage into that. Let's go ahead and do the same for the bottom here. Now that we're both snapped on the top and bottom, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.